Hi, I'm Barak Perelman, CEO of Indegy, and thank you for joining for the fourth week of the Cyber Awareness Month, where we talk about cybersecurity implications of our critical infrastructures. This week, we're going to talk about the manufacturing sector. Is a manufacturing plant, manufacturing chemicals. But just the same, we can talk about the pharmaceutical industry, food and beverage manufacturing, automotive manufacturing, and the implications of cyber attacks on the actual physical infrastructures themselves. Essentially, the same industrial control systems we talk about every week are also prevalent in these environments, and they are the ones that actually control how the drug is being manufactured or how the automotive is being assembled together. Any downtime can cause serious loss of revenue, but there are serious safety considerations as well. Think about what happens if a turbine or a furnace or a mixer change its functioning temperatures, or even worse, consider the implications of a recipe being changed in a drug and arriving at our stores, or recipe changes to food that is arriving to our grocery environments. What I want you to think about today is that you're already taking care of your IT or enterprise side of cybersecurity. You're considerate of emails, of USB thumb drives in your environment, and you need to make sure that you consider those in the OT environment as well. As our environments get more and more interconnected, your plant, your OT environment is pretty much interconnected with your IT environment just the same. The same IT type malware that can affect and cause downtime in that enterprise environment can also cause damage and downtime to the OT and ICS. Think about that when you consider the entire range and risk posture of your environment. I've been Barak Perelman, and if you want more, please follow #CyberAware or follow Indegy on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you.